we have seen a lot of new animals. These are cockatoos. They have feathers on their head that can flare out like this. On Christmas Day, I got to feed some. And they even landed on my arm.
Look at her.
Koalas are marsupials. That means they carry their babies in pouches while they grow, like kangaroos and wallabies. Koalas get all of their nutrition from eucalyptus leaves. It is only enough energy for them to be awake for 4 hours a day. They sleep 20 hours a day. One of the koalas was injured in the wildfires of 2020, and it was brought to live here at the Koala Reserve. It is really unusual to see them move at all, but we got to see one jump from branch to branch. It takes 10 days to fully digest the leaves. Their poop is oval-shaped and very hard because they suck out so much water from the leaves. We saw a Tasmanian devil, but it was just sleeping. But we saw a pile of feathers that looked like they had something to eat during the night. They are very fierce and dangerous. This is a blue monitor lizard. They are really long. At the beginning of our visit, there was a sign telling us to look out for copperhead snakes. Nice. This is a bull ant dragging a dead termite. They are the largest of all ants, and they sting just like wasps. This is a Australian emperor dragonfly. It's yellow. There goes a swamp wallaby. This is what a kookaburra looks like. We saw some at the wildlife park, but they weren't making noise, so my mom recorded their sound in the tree outside the place we were staying. It's pretty fun sounding. This is a brush-tailed possum. It makes a freaky sound. This is what a southern bullfrog sounds like. Here are some noisy birds. I can't remember what they are called. They sound like a car alarm. And these are parakeets. This is a blue-tongued lizard. Can you see the blue tongue?
I thought like that was one eating the other.
Well, look at that one coming out of the log. I wouldn't want to fall in there. Jump 6 feet in the air. How you think that's funny?
If it could jump, they would probably have a net.
But here's what you've all been wanting to see. Kangaroos.
You hold it in
This is a gray kangaroo.
hold the bag in your left hand.
And I even got to feed some. And this is a red kangaroo. Fun fact, a group of kangaroos is called a troop, a mob, or a herd.
Whoa, big kangaroo.
Very strong. One thing you can do if you need to walk away, because you...
Kangaroo slobber.
It's okay.
I had to keep the emus away from the food. They grabbed one of the bags right out of my hands. Emus' heads are very small, and their eyes are the largest of all land animals. They don't have much space left for their brains, so that means they're kinda dumb. This is a mama kangaroo. Her baby is taking a nap in her pouch. Can you see the joey's legs hanging out? These are black swans. These are two wild cassowaries. They feed on fruit and berries, but they are capable of killing a human. But it's kind of odd that they only put up a thin little wire fence to protect us. The wallabies run around freely at this park. This guy is checking out the other animals in their cages.
Keep walking up behind it.
You guys know what seagulls look like. Today, they were hanging out with pelicans waiting for some food. Here come the pelicans.
Watch, Henry. Just watch in front.
Pelicans swallow their food whole, so sometimes they swallow human trash and it gets stuck in their throat. We have to keep trash out of the oceans.
Okay, and I'll try to make sure that the young ones get one. No, they not much you can do about it. Now, the pelicans don't have any predators as such.
There were two stingrays hoping to get some food too.
For those that know, and they're in the bay there. And that's where our pelicans go to mate. Now, the female, she makes the nest. They don't do him any harm. Okay, so after about 5 weeks, the first one comes out of the shell, and the first one born is always the biggest and the strongest. And then he gets fed for a couple of days before the others come out of the shell, so he gets quite strong.
Here is a sand crab. They burrow under the sand during low tide. And that is a flying rabbit. No, just kidding. Australia's not that weird.